Excellent, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, I have little bit flu, so my voice will be not that well, maybe listen. But I will talk about my topic that is documentation. Documentation is a simple process of uh, production hydrogen by anaerobic bacteria in mesophilic conditions, so temperature between or thermophilic, so temperatures 36, 38, and thermophilic, which is 56, 58. But usually when I work with mesophilic, because in my conditions is more efficient. Now, what is that? What's more? Why I work with this dark fermentation? Because it's necessary to find a method that would be uh, replacing conventional method of for the hydrogen production, and one potential method is dark fermentation. The process is can be used also to medicine problem because there's a simple case, natural case of that fermentation is gangrene. And as you see, you can discern it was even so much hydrogen that in the case of Henry VIII, the uh, the body, the king of England, the body was exploded due to the hydrogen, and in teeth, when which is collapsing the teeth due uh, to this hydrogen production. This hydrogen production needs material which is usually polysaccharides, and then of course we can use protein and fats, but most researchable is polysaccharides. It needs the hydrolysis, and due to hydrolysis, is producing simple organic compound like fructose and glucose that can be transferred to hydrogen by bacteria. This I prepare that some oxygen is helpful, and this oxygen, if I add by followed by further syringe, it will help between 1, 2, and 5 milliliters per hour in case of sour cabbage, because I was investigated on sour cabbage, uh, proteins, as in case uh, of gelatin, pork gelatin, and potatoes and wheat straw. And the more the process is that we have three possibilities. We this bacteria is so producing the butyric acid usually because it's most common because the highest Gibbs energy that says if reaction is possible or not. It can be also with acetic acid, which produces much hydrogen, the most hydrogen of the dark fermentation, but due to high Gibbs energy is at least probably to occur. And it can be produced, this dark fermentation is optimized by 24 hours. The process can be replaced by using this These these bacteria they can work 24 hours, which is the advantage, and it's quite cheap because it's more less energy than pyrolysis, which is by combustion, or it can be facultative process to production of ammonia because on that fermentation we have very big variety of waste, so we can utilize this waste. Uh, I think that that fermentation will be one of the possible parts, and I work in now in the Bengal University with Dr. Fetti, and I hope that will be more better results. So that's all. Thank you very much for listening. Now you can ask question if you have.